She was congratulating me on the last coding challenge I did. The object of this kind of game that we're playing here is we solve coding challenges to regain different parts of this robot girl and even her personality and memories. After you start solving the challenges and you get the different parts and her memories and everything, you can start to change things. Like here, you've got your little customizer here. You can change her hairstyle and color like this. You've got the eyes, accessories, the upper body, the lower body, the room that you're in. You can see I've unlocked some of these. And then her personality, which, by the way, you have to do MySQL challenges to unlock the world human database and find her personalities and memories and get them back here. But I usually just keep her, like, okay, if you go here, like, okay, Genki, we'll turn her into Genki, and her interface here, her thoughts will be here on the screen. I usually just keep her as just a basic mecha where she's making beeping noises. Just, that's my preference. But you got a whole bunch of options here after you do more coding challenges. So let's go back to the beginning where this all starts. Yeah, let's just get rid of all these parts. Disconnect. We're disconnecting everything. Oh god, she's just ahead now. This is how it was in the beginning. So when you first get her, there's nothing. This is what you start out with. It looks like she's asking for help because she's just ahead now. You got to go out into the slums of the future and find all these problems and solve these coding challenges. And so then you start building her out. The first thing I got was you get like a normal robot upper body, and then you got yourself just the plain lower body of a robot. So you go ahead and connect that, and it's looking a little weird. So you got to solve more coding challenges so you can unlock the mini skirt or something, man. Let's give her this one, but we're gonna make it black. There we go. I think that's how I had it. And then for the lower body, gonna go ahead and put that on there. And now we're coming along. She's starting to look more like her usual self here. We're gonna give her the hairstyle back. Put the hair on her, and you know what? Why not? Sure, we'll do it like that because she's a robot. What else do we want to do? The cat ears, of course. Shall we just keep them white? Wonderful. You can remove all this stuff so you can just enjoy your cat girl alone in your futuristic year 2088 slums. But you've got a pretty nice room here. Or you can refresh the page and see if she gives you a different message. Oh, so she is acknowledging the changes you made. They're complete. And her life is getting better now because she actually looks like a person and has clothes on now and isn't just a head. Oh, this is like the opening page that we're at. Oh, there it is. Yeah, she's congratulating me for the most recent coding challenge that I did. How about that? Her name is Raimi, by the way. And real quick, I'll just go through like the backstory of this. I'm not going to play the music because I don't want to get copyright. But yeah, basically there's like, yeah, it's the year 2088. You've got this head of this girl. Apparently she was a computer programming genius. This is you, this is her. You grew up together, and then she was such a genius, they took her away and did something with her, like changed her into an AI or something. And then you come across her in the future as an adult and find just her head left with most of her memories and personality gone. And now it's your mission to bring her back to life by solving the coding problems and getting the replacement parts and building her body back and slowly piecing together her memories and turning her back into, I don't know if she's the same girl anymore, but she's like an android now, but she's still your childhood friend and locked in your room here for some reason. But it's very cool and I'm enjoying it. I mean, it's motivating me to do these coding challenges again. And this is just a perfect example of why Japan is amazing, because this is just normal, like everyday normal stuff here in Japan. So shout out to Japan. Shout out to Paiza. I doubt they're going to be watching this, but if anyone at Paiza does happen to stumble across this video and watches here, I would pay money if we could get voice. Like, I would honestly pay like a $5 upgrade fee if we could actually hear her voice and not just reading it on the screen. That would be really cool. Maybe here at WebDev Japan, maybe it's in our future for making our own catgirl builder. We'll see what's in the store for the future. And if you don't know about paiza.jp, you should definitely get on here, because not only do they have cool stuff like this, but they have lots of coding challenges. You do the timed coding challenges and then you get a rank, and then you can search for jobs on here and apply to the jobs by your rank. And if your rank is good enough and whatever your portfolio is filled out, you'll actually get contacted by companies to apply to their jobs. These are not recruiters, these are actual companies. So just a really great resource overall. You have to be living in Japan to use this career services thing and set up the interviews, but I mean, you can still use it for the coding challenges, for Japanese language practice, for finding the companies, because yeah, you can't use their system here, but what's stopping you from just Googling this company and contacting them directly? Absolutely nothing. So, yep, that's it. Just sharing a day in my life as a fully remote software developer here in Japan. All right, see you guys in the next one.